Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Hello, kids. Today we will learn about bird's name. So let's start it. Hey, lovely birds. Hey, lovely birds. Please tell us your names. Please tell us your names. I am green. I am green. My name is Parrot. My name is Parrot. I am black. I am black. My name is Crow. My name is Crow. I am grey. I am grey. My name is Pigeon. I wake up at night. I wake up at night. My name is Owl. My name is Owl. I have long neck. I have long neck. My name is Crane. Crane. I lay eggs. I lay eggs. My name is Hen. Hen. I love to swim in water. I love to swim. I am dog. I love ice. I am penguin. I am penguin. I am peacock. I am peacock. I am your national bird. Now you all know our name. So clap for us with your hands. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.